Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Suryanta Fam channel. Don't forget to give me subscribe and then like and comment, okay? So it's very important for the progress of this channel. Okay, this afternoon I'm gonna unbox coffee maker from Kris like this. It's the appearance and then it's the box. Kris. Okay. Thank you very much for the husband's friends having given this lovely coffee maker. They do know me well. Actually, I love coffee, don't they? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let me know you the parts of this machine. It has two removable parts. The first one is the coffee pot that you can place this one off or on like this, and then for the second, it has the filter. Here is the place for coffee, okay, for the coffee powder. And then of course, the spoon. Where is the spoon here? Mbak Ania must play that. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Okay, it has also indicator for water level. So here is the water level that you can see if you want to make 2 cups of coffee. Here the water level is set here like this. If you want 4 or 6, this is the maximum of cups. 6 cups of coffee that you can make by using this machine. Okay, so how to make the coffee? The first one is give the coffee powder into the filter like this one. Okay, so and then after that, for the second, pour the water as you wish. If you want to 6 cups of coffee, you can pour the water into the level 6 like this. 6 already. Okay. 6 already. Look at this. Here, 6. Okay, and then close very gently. Okay, switch on the cable and then switch on the button like this. Just wait, so simple. By the way, I use not sugar because I don't like sugar in every kinds of my beverages. I never put sugar in my drinks. I use sari kurma teji, or it's like a date honey for my coffee. Okay. Look, it comes down very gently. Down, down, and down until from here. Okay, and then the coffee ready to drink. Ready to mix with sugar. Okay, for 6 cups of coffee, you will have this. Okay, only this. It's still drop into the pot. Okay, and finish, I think. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? Okay. Okay, by the way, do not try to open the open here the lid here, because actually when you open this, then the hot water, the smoke of water here is coming outside and you will get burnt. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done already. You can turn it off, or stay like this if you want your coffee warm, so it stays warm, warms your coffee. Okay, then I'm trying to get this out. Okay, here it is. 6 cups of coffee. Okay, not bad. Huh? Then I'm trying to pour this into my cute glass over here. Okay. Nice. Put it back. Okay. It's simple, isn't it? Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.